No more bad audio. Fix your bad audio and kiss background noise goodbye. With AI Enhance Voice in Canva, you can remove background noise with just one click. Nothing but high quality audio and your crystal clear voice. This is a 1-minute quick Canva win. Let's jump in. Hey, I'm Donna Moritz, Canva verified expert and visual content strategist at Socially Sorted, and this is a game changer. I've just recovered videos with bad audio that I thought were lost forever. This is my favorite kind of AI, the kind that quietly acts as your wingman, helping you get tasks done that, well, let's face it, I had no idea how to fix the audio on these videos that I'm about to show you. So now I can fix them in a single click. I promised a quick video, so let's take a look at Enhance Voice. Seriously, Canva, 5 stars, take my money. Just kidding. But saying that, it is a pro feature. So if you don't have Canva Pro and you want to take it for a spin, you can get a free trial on my link as a Canva verified expert here or in the description. Here's the video I want to fix. It's a series of testimonials. I paid a videographer to take these at a major conference I was speaking at. The testimonials are fabulous and they stand the test of time, but the background noise was just terrible and I couldn't use them. And I tried to reach out to the videographer, they didn't respond, and I eventually gave up. Let's take a listen.
Oh, it was absolutely fantastic. Donna's great. She's always really high energy.
Oh, Donna's great. She's so laid back. I'm an Australian, so I'm a little bit biased, but I love her style and the way she cracks a few jokes and gets people laughing as well as learning.
I'm just coming out of Donna's session. It was absolutely brilliant. What I love about Donna's session is you get strategic advice, but you also get practical information as well. And she's a super energetic speaker. So I find she's fun, energetic, and the content is amazing. So I definitely want to see Donna again soon.
Look, I could have used these videos, but it just kind of bothered me that there was so much going on. It was a little bit too noisy. There was music going on in the background and some announcements. So I just kind of never used it, but I do think I can fix it. Let's try Enhance Voice. It's super simple. This is a quick 1-minute Canva win. Just click on your video to highlight it, then come up here to the toolbar. This will appear, audio tools, click on audio tools, and then all you have to do is click Enhance Voice. As I said, it's a pro feature and Canva will do its thing. It shouldn't take too long. Sometimes it can take a little bit longer if you've got a longer video or it's still being uploaded. There we go, looks like we've finished. Sometimes it's immediate. This is a slightly longer video. Let's take a listen.
Oh, it was absolutely fantastic. Donna's great. She's always really high energy.
Oh, Donna's great. She's so laid back. I'm an Australian, so I'm a little bit biased, but I love her style and the way she cracks a few jokes and gets people laughing as well as learning.
I'm just coming out of Donna's session. It was absolutely brilliant. What I love about Donna's session is you get strategic advice, but you also get practical information as well. And she's a super energetic speaker. So I find she's fun, energetic, and the content is amazing. So I definitely want to see Donna again soon.
Down to earth, fun, and friendly. Yeah.
Okay, so that is way better, and that weird music got cut out at the end, so everything is really clear. And so if you've got videos that you haven't been able to use due to background noise, definitely put them into Canva. Check out Enhance Voice, game changer. 1 click, it's definitely a Canva win. These types of audio fixes used to take time and money and a professional editor, and now I can do it in 1 click, which is crazy. In the time I save with these tools in Canva, I could take a nap, do some painting, or go for a run. Just kidding, I swim, I am no runner, but you get my point. This is a very handy feature for video. If you want a way to experience some of Canva's best AI features, including Enhanced Voice, grab my Canva Magic AI Playbook. It's packed with 20 plus hands-on activities to learn these features and start saving time in Canva, plus bonus resources too. So go to sociallysorted.com.au/AI-playbook or check the description to grab it now. If your business or organisation is looking for training in Canva Teams or Canva Enterprise, or a speaker for your next event, reach out. I love nothing more than helping teams of designers and non-designers ditch the agencies to create amazing, on-brand, high-impact visual content in-house. If you like this video, please subscribe. It helps me create more content for you, and let me know what your favourite AI video editing feature is. And check out the next video on the screen for more Canva tips and tools for you and your team. That's it from me. Stay creative.